I'm going to explain the trade that I took in the morning session. It was a buy entry but remained unfilled. I'm going to break down the trade, why I took the trade, what are the confluences in this attempt, everything in this video. So I first go to 1 hour, sorry, daily candle. So this is the today's candle. Yesterday low has been swept. So once it has been swept, I'm looking for higher prices. The the second confluences is nothing but the 4 hour fair value gap. Just give me a sec. The 4 hour fair value gap clearly hold the price. There is no candle close below this level. Uh, this sweep is yesterday. After this generator liquidity has been swept, I'm looking for higher prices. Especially Clo ran this fair value gap and expect higher prices, but that was not happened last day. Price continued to chop around this area, but no candle closed below this level. And this was the yesterday's low. Once it has been swept, I expect higher prices at least to this high, at least to this equal highs, at least to this equal highs. This is my first target, and this is my second target. Not this. This I expect this is my second target, right? So uh, now I move to 1 hour. So in 1 hour, you can see one thing like this 1 hour fair value gap not respected. Is a good is a good leg, good bullish leg. This 1 hour fair value gap close below this level, but there is no displacement through this fair value gap, instantly getting rejected. So I am not took this fair value gap uh, to take advantage for going for sell model. So after sweeping this area, um, I directly went to 3 minutes, or else you can go for 1 minute. I can explain you in a clear, clear way. Like okay, so give me a second, 15 minutes. Yep, yeah. This is yesterday's low. Yesterday's low. Go to 3 minutes. So after sweep the yesterday's low, the 4 hour after holding the price, I just delete this 1 hour earlier. I don't want to add any noises. Okay. After sweep the sell side liquidity, sweep high, low. So this should be, if any price close above this level, we can consider it as a breaker, and we can enter. If we get the displacement, we can enter our buy entry using the limit order or the market order as soon as the price close above this level. So this is my significant swing high. So I okay, but I put my limit order right here, exactly at this point. Why? Low has been swept, big displacement to the upside, comes lower, failed to make a lower low. This spiral gap pretty much hold the price, not holding, close below, but instantly rejection to the upside. These are the generated liquidity. These are the engineered liquidity. Now every liquidity has been hunt, print a high, print a low, structure shift with big displacement. So I like to see this fair value gap at least 50% at this breaker point. So I expected my buy entry right here and targeted the equal highs. What is the equal highs here? So this is the equal highs in the today's session. So I expected this. This is my target. I expected this equal highs should be my target, and I put my stop not this low but at this low. So my risk is just 6.8 pip, and my reward is 28.4 pip, and it's almost 4.18. Due to some uh, work I'm not able to uh, do my live video today, live session today. For the past 2 days, I was very busy with the different other work, so I'm not supposed to do my live sessions. That's why I put my post-market analysis video. So I expected this should be my first TP, and I draw my flip from this manipulation low to this swing high, and I get 2 to 2.5. This is the 2 to 2.5, right? So and I expect this should be my target. Why? I took these two things. This manipulation low to the this point. Exactly at this point. This swing high. So price projected this point. So I just marked this low to this high, and I marked this as standard deviation. So standard deviation level. So my first target should be here. My second target should be here. This is my TP2. But unfortunately, price not end up achieving this level, but it comes all the way close to this point. Not exactly tap this point, but the price almost take resistance at this point. Get resist at this point. Clear liquidity zone. Okay. I put my limit as soon as I identified the liquid stop sweep, stop hunt, structure shift, displacement. I put my limit order here, put my stop, kept my stop here, expected the equal highs. But unfortunately, this fair value gap remained unfilled and continuously going higher. This fair value gap just gave some accumulation, expansion. This is the real breakout. This is the um, major breakout structure, which means structure shift in a higher time frame like 3 minutes and 5 minutes. This candle close above this high, and this fair value gap holding the price, pushing higher towards the equal highs and towards the standard deviation projection point. And the price not uh, get into that projection level, standard deviation level, but it's stopped exactly at just one or two tick below this area. Continuously just holding this price, continuously getting rejected at this point. It acts as a resistance, seems like, in today's session. After 1 hour, I just checked my MT5. I got to know one thing: my target has been hit, but I remained unfilled. My order remained unfilled. So that's it. So if I went to 1 minute, I can explain you even further. Like, so after the sweep, big displacement to the upside, comes lower, comes lower, fail to make a lower low, make a higher low, high, low, high. These are engineered liquidity. Stop hunt, high, low, structure shift with big displacement. I expect the price to this level. That's why I put limit order here and put my stop at this point. And but it unfortunately not filled. This value up not filled. This not filled. Is only the price just tap the premium level and skyrocketed to the upside. So these are the engineered liquidity, not hunt yet, not hunt yet, not hunt yet. If I zoom out, it's a clear liquidity zone, clear, clear liquidity zone. So most probably price come and hunt this liquidity. since the order flow is extremely bullish. Extremely bullish. So this was the today's entry that pretty much missed. I couldn't catch the. I couldn't utilize this entry, but I take it as a learning opportunity. The optimal place where I can enter in this trade is I can show this point in 3 minutes or 5 minutes. You can see this. Mm, yeah. So after the candle closed below this, after the swing high has been break above, I should have entered my limiter. I should have entered my limiter right here and put my stop at this point and expected the higher prices, which is also really good. Which is also really good if I did in the morning. So this is the place where I confirm price going to go higher. This is the real structure shift. Until then, this is not. I couldn't consider this as structure shift. Seems like some sort of liquidity has been hunt. Lower structure shift in lower time frame, but in higher time frame, this is the structure shift. This should be the actual structure shift. This is the fair value gap. You should enter, put the stop at this swing low, expected higher prices. This should be optimal entry. Other than that, this is also good. It's okay, fine. If you see these 5 minutes fair value gap, actually these 5 minutes fair value gap getting filled. Not exactly come and approach this point, but this fair value gap literally get filled. If you enter at this point and put the stop at this low, it would be good. It is also good. You don't need to worry about that. So this was the entry that I took in the today's session. So I probably not probably certainly go coming tomorrow for will come tomorrow for to take a live session. So hope you're doing good. Okay. Bye everyone. Peace. Stop share.